Welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress the video file size without losing quality. The video presentation is the best way to promote products and services. Nowadays, all companies make the products demo videos and publish to their social network. If you make full HD video and publish it to your website or social network, its size will be huge as well as take a long time for streaming. So we need to compress the file size before upload to all social network for better performance. Let's learn how you can reduce the video file size. I have one MP4 video file. This file size is 304 MB. I'm going to reduce the file size of this video. First you need to download and install the Handbrake tool. This is free of cost. Also, it has a many features to compress the video file size. After installed and open, then you have to click on the source. Here you have to open the file. So select the file. Now the file has been loaded. Now you have to set the destination path where the compressed file needs to be stored. So you can set the file name. Then you have to choose the format of the video. This is available for the two format, MP4 and MKV. I am choosing MP4. Then must be choose the web optimize. This will be hugely compress the file size. By default they are provided the many format. Here you can choose as you like. Otherwise you can leave it as it is. Now click to start. The video compression process started. Now the video compression process completed. Now we are going to check the video file size. Select the files. See, this is 131 MB. This is compressed more than 50% of the original file size. This video file is not reduce the video quality. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.